going down, I'm going with you, but I still feel like I'm doing alright. You're rising up, I'll be with you, 'cause I'm the I just feel for two, 'cause it's been raining all day. Stand home all alone, sitting in my room, watching rain was falling down the window glass on my soul. The crying skies, living the whole living it all. Knocking back at the door, and guess what? I'm putting on my yellow shoes, I'm taking my umbrella, got my yellow coat, I'm going out. No, the color on the sun is the best for working in the rain right now. Yeah, here we are, here we are, here we are, the same now. Wearing different shoes, searching one another, turn the rain. We stay strong until we get along. We stay strong, get along, get along. Now let's go back to me, walking down the street with an umbrella in hand and autumn leaves in my hair. Now we ran like hell, I felt so well. I just simply knew that in the end, but you really know what it is to stay on your pathway and you get it through. 'Cause you don't always get what you want, but you got all you need. So enjoy this moment and I'm gonna refrain. Yeah, here we are, here we are, here we are, the same now. Wearing different shoes, searching one another, turn the rain. We stay strong until we get along. We stay strong, get along, get along. Wake me up at 5 a.m. They ask me how I feel through the night and during day. My answer will stay the same.